Hi beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Ruth Ombugu. Please consider subscribing if you love my content. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are baking, yes, and we are baking another of my favorite cakes, yes. How is it my favorite? It's my favorite because one, it tastes so good. Two, it's so easy to make even for a beginner, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you, how I make my coconut cake. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. But before I forget, happy Easter holidays, and I hope you will have the best time for this season and for the next days to come by. And thank you so much for all the new subscribers in our channel. Thank you so much for joining the family. Please feel welcome. It's completely our channel and we are learning and growing together. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Make ourselves a simple but delicious coconut cake. We are starting off our recipe with 3 eggs. I'm going to add in sugar, and then I'm going to whisk this together and get them fluffy as you can get this mixture. Please don't get tired, keep fluffing it up until you get the right consistency. We are almost done, and I think our eggs are well fluffed. Now I'm going in with my flour. This is all-purpose flour. I've put it in a sieve. I'm adding in my baking powder. I'm also adding a bit of salt. And then I'm going to sift this together and add it in my mixture. Vanilla essence, and then I'm mixing it up. Now I'm adding in cooking oil. This cake, actually you can use cooking oil or you can go ahead and use butter, but in this case I'm using cooking oil. So I'm going to fold that oil into the mixture until it's well incorporated. And as you can tell, our mixture is ready. Now I have already started preheating my oven, and now in my mixture I'm going to add in coconut. So I'm adding 100 grams to my mixture. I'm folding it in. At this point, if you like to have a more softer cake, you can add like tablespoons of milk. And then our baking tin is ready, so I'm just going to pour in my mixture. So the recipe is that easy, and all the details are going to be in the description box, just in case you want to try out this recipe and bake yourself or your family this particular cake. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a feedback in the comment section below. Like, comment, share with your friends and family, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye and stay blessed.